smoothie.
Hi everyone! Welcome back to 80 Foods. Are you ready to learn about food? Great! Today we'll learn about smoothies. In the picture, you can see a smoothie in the glass. It's a blueberry smoothie. You can also see a piece of a pear next to the smoothie. Let's learn some words to begin the class.
Crush. When you crush something, you press it very hard so it breaks into pieces. In the picture, 2 pieces of garlic are crushed. They are flatter than usual. Blender. The machine in front of the woman is a blender. We use it to make fruit or vegetables into liquid. You see some fruits and vegetables in the picture. The woman will make juice with the food.
Listen and choose the right picture for the word. Crush. Blender.
Now it's time to read. After you read it, you will take a quiz.
Do you know what a smoothie is? A smoothie is a drink. It has fruit or vegetables with crushed ice, honey, or syrup. The ingredients are mixed in a blender. We can add milk, yogurt, or ice cream to it. Some people add other healthy things to their smoothies. Protein powder is one of them. The picture shows a blueberry smoothie. Would you drink it? What's your favorite smoothie?
What is a smoothie? Drink. Yogurt. What is true about a smoothie? Ice cream is the main ingredient. Some people add protein powder to it.
What is your favorite kind of smoothie? I really like banana and strawberry smoothies. This is the end of our class. Goodbye.